Okay, let's talk about Enums. Let's say you're building a movie database and you want to store the ratings of the movies, PG, PG-13, G, etc. Uh, how might you do that? Well, a good way would be to use the enum. You would say something like enum and then the rating, and the ratings are G, PG, PG-13, R, and uh, there is MA, right? And X, I think. I don't remember, but something like that. So now you see that doesn't work. Eclipse is telling me remember enum rating can only be defined inside a top level class. So you cannot use enum here. You have to put it over here inside the top level class. So here's the class main, and we're putting it in there. So once you do that, now you have a rating. So I can say rating, my movie rating is, then you say rating dot, and you see it'll pop up the various values, then you can just pick one. So let's say it's PG. So you can just say that rating dot PG, and that's your movie rating. So sometimes the way people do this is with an integer. They might say my movie rating is 1, and then they'll put a comment. 1 is G and 2 is PG. And you'll see this in some programs. That is generally a bad idea because, of course, this means that it's very, when you're reading the program, you just see a 1, and you will probably will not remember, okay, 1 is G and 2 is PG. So it can cause errors later on. So try to avoid that and try to use rating because it's easier to see and read. And the other thing is you can then use the rating in a switch. So I can say my movie rating. I put this in parentheses, and then I can say case, and I just say G colon uh, kids can watch this break case PG and so forth. So I can say case G, case PG, kids are okay. Kids, I think kids under kids with parents is the PG rule, parents, and so forth. And when you run this, run that, it'll print out kids with parents. So I said my movie rating to rating.pg, went to the switch statement. It found out that the movie rating was not G, it was PG, and so it did this break, and I printed that out. So that's the enum, and that is how it works. As you will learn later on, the enum is really, this is just like a very small class, just like this main class here is a class, and we will learn a lot more about that later. But it is the enum is very useful. It makes your programs much more readable, and not enough people use it.